In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance video quality in Filmora. Start by opening your Filmora and ensure that you are logged in into your account with your free plan activated. If not, simply sign in using your Gmail. Once your settings are configured, create a new project. Drag and drop your media files, such as videos or images, into timeline for editing. Navigate to Settings menu and locate Auto Enhance option. Toggle it on to instantly improve colors and clarity in your footage. Experiment with slider to find optimal enhance level for your video. Before exporting your video, ensure that you select highest quality settings available. Choose highest resolution and frame rate. Options to maintain quality of your footage. Set parameters accordingly, such as 1080p resolution and 60 fps for optimal results. Once you configure export settings, click on Export button to save your video. Filmora will process your project with enhanced quality, resulting in high resolution file ready for sharing or further editing.